Welcome to 818 South Boulevard in Evanston, Illinois. The homeowners wanted to completely renovate their traditional farm home and make it look more modern and up to date. However, their main priority was to replace their old wood siding with something a little more contemporary. Clients can see exactly what their house looks like after all of the renovations are completed with the help of our design consultants who use 3D modeling software to accurately showcase the outcome of a project. Furthermore, our construction crew does an excellent job of bringing these designs created by the consultants to life. The materials used in this project were James Hardie Siding mixed with staggered James Hardie Shake Siding in the color Gray Slate. Everyone at Siding and Windows Group strives to grant full customer satisfaction by the end of their journey with us, and that is exactly what these clients received. When the project concluded, the homeowners were delighted with the results. They appreciated the services we provided them and that our pricing fell within their budget. For more information on how Siding and Windows Group can transform your home, please contact us to schedule your design consultation today.